This condenser tumble dryer from Samsung is a first-class choice for households that want energy-saving features and intelligent technology. It has an A++ energy rating and a medium-sized 8-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better drying results. This model uses heat pump technology, which is the most efficient way to dry your clothes. Hot air in the drum absorbs moisture from your laundry. This then leaves the drum where the moisture is removed. Air is then recycled, reheated, and sent back into the drum to complete the drying process. This means it's more environmentally friendly, kinder to your energy bills, and incredibly gentle on fabrics. Sensor drying technology gives you perfect drying results each and every time. Simply select the ideal level of dryness, such as the cupboard dry option. And clever sensors inside the drum will then monitor moisture levels and end the cycle once your clothes are dry. This helps to protect fabrics and save energy, so it's kinder to your clothes and your utility bills. If you're looking for a condenser tumble dryer that has intelligent technology and energy-saving features, this model from Samsung is a first-class choice.